Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Welcome back to today's class. Today also we are going to learn some more bits from the second lesson. Before we start our bits, I would like to revise the poem once again. Shall we start? Okay. Have you all answered yesterday's homework? Do you all got good grades? Very good. So, open page number 9. Page number 9. What's the name of the poem? Frogs at School. What's the name of the poem? Frogs at School. Who is the poet? Tell me the name of that poet. George Cooper. Very good. The poet name is George Cooper. Shall we revise the poem once again? Right. Look into the textbooks, all of you. See, my dear children, when I read from the textbook, you have to put your finger on the textbook, on the concerned line and follow it. Okay? Now, shall I start? Okay. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and green. White and clean, not green. White and clean. So, what's the first stanza saying? 20 froggies, they went to school. Where the school is? It is down beside a rushing pool. Okay. So, how we go to school? We go to school with a neat and tidy uniform. Am I right? So, these froggies also wear a uniform. How the uniform is? All vests white and clean. Vests with white and clean and with the green coats. Am I right? Yeah, with green coats. And vests were white. First stanza says 20 froggies, they went to school and the school is down beside a rushing pool. How the uniform is? With all white and clean vests and green little coats. Okay. Next stanza. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. See what they are saying, what these froggies are saying. We must be in time to school. We must be in time to school, said they. And first we study, then we play. They want to study first. After studying, they want to play. They are giving preference to study only. First they want to study and then after studying everything, they want to go and play. Okay. So, that is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Whenever we froggies go to school, we'll keep that rule that we must be in time to school and first they study and then we play. Okay. Next stanza. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs they became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Now what happened in the third stanza? 20 froggies. The 20 froggies grew up fast. They became big, elder one now. They became big. And how they became? Like bullfrogs. Bullfrogs means big and male frog. Big and male frog. Bullfrogs. 20 froggies, they grew up fast and they became male frog, bullfrogs. Okay. And then what they are doing? They are sitting on the logs and started teaching the other little frogs also. Okay. So this is the poem. Once again I'll read without explanation. You please put your finger on the textbook and follow. 20 froggies went to school Down beside a rushing pool, 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs they became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Okay, see, this is the poem. After this poem, we have learned, what we have learned? We have learned, choose the correct answers, think and answer. Am I right? Now, we are going to the next part. Open page number 10. Page number 10. Next part. Appreciation. Appreciation. See? Read the first two lines of the poem. Read the first two lines of the poem. What are the two lines? 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. Now, look at the circled words. See? Here are some words. Those two words are circled. Can you see here, my dear children? See? Here. Two words are circled with a red ink. Red circle. Look at the circled words. Do they sound similar? Yeah, they are sounding similar. Am I right? Pool, school. చూడండి ఆ సర్కిల్ చేసిన వర్డ్స్ చూడండి. స్కూల్, పూల్ ఒకేలాగా సౌండ్ వస్తుంది కదా. యా, the words school, pool form a pair of rhyming words. I think I have already given rhyming words to you. Am I right? Yeah, I am. Okay, this is also that one only, same. The words school, pool form a pair of rhyming words. School, pool. ఇవి ఎలా ఫామ్ అవుతున్నాయి? రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ అంటాం. అంటే సేమ్ సౌండ్ వచ్చే వాటిని రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ అంటాం. స్కూల్, పూల్, ప్లే, దే, ఫ్రాగ్, లాగ్ ఇలాంటివి. సో పిక్ అవుట్ ద అదర్ పేర్స్ ఆఫ్ రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్ ఫ్రమ్ ద పోయం. నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు పిక్ అవుట్ ద అదర్ పేర్. ఇంకా మిగతా ఉన్నాయి కదా రైమింగ్ వర్డ్స్, అవి పోయం నుంచి మనం తీసి రాయాలంట. ఓకే, షల్ వి రైట్? You have to note down in your rough notebook, my dear children. Okay, I will write here. First one is given school. What is the rhyming word of school? Pool. Next, green. Clean. Next, third one. They. Play. Next. Rule. School. Tell me the next rhyming word, my dear children. After school, pool. Next stanza. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Fast, last. Fast, last. Next, last two lines. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Logs, frogs. See, school, pool, green, clean, they, play, rule, school, fast, last, logs, frogs. Okay, frogs, frogs. Now, see, from the poem, we have taken out these words. From the poem only, we have taken out these words. These two words are, where they are? They are here, on the last word. For every line, last word, we have picked out the rhyming words. See, 20 froggies went to school. 20 froggies went to school. Down beside a rushing pool. School, pool. These two are from first two lines. First two lines. School, pool. 20 little coats of green. 20 little coats of green. 20 vests, all white and clean. See, green, clean. Green, clean. Next. We must be in time, said they. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. First we study, then we play. See, they play. Chudali ikkada. T-H-E-Y, they. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay. Next. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. That is the rule. That is the rule. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Children, rule, school. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Rule, school. Next, 20 froggies grew up fast. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Fast, last. Fast, last. Now they sit on other logs. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Teaching other little frogs. Logs, frogs. L-O-G-S, logs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. See, school, pool. Green, clean. They play. Rule, school. Fast, last. Logs, frogs. Is it okay to you, my dear children? Yeah, very good. So, you have to learn all these rhyming words, ma. Okay, you have to learn. And then, see here, activity. Activity is given here in page number 10 only. In the poem, the froggies have a uniform of green coats and white vests. Yeah, the uniform of froggies are, how the uniform is? Green coat with white vest. Am I right? So, look at the picture here, page number 11, page number 11, here, look here, everyone. Look at the picture and read the names of different parts of the uniform aloud. Gattiga chadavalanta. Then, draw and color your school uniform. Mark the different parts of the uniform. Then, by looking at this picture, read these loudly and then draw the uniform of your school and label it, color it. Here, you have to draw and color it. But don't draw now itself. You draw in paper. Don't draw in the textbook. You draw in paper. Okay. This is your homework. What is your homework? Your homework is read and write. Read and write rhyming words for one time. Home task. Read and write. Rhyming words. One time. So, my dear children, write these rhyming words for one time and learn. You should learn all these rhyming words. And after writing the homework, you have to send it to your concerned class teacher. Okay. You have to write your name on the paper. Okay, my dear children. So, once again I'll revise. Tomorrow you have grand test on lesson number 2, unit 2, frogs at school. See, I'll read once again the poem. 20 froggies went to school down beside a rushing pool. 20 little coats of green, 20 vests all white and clean. We must be in time, said they. First we study, then we play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs they became at last. Now they sit on other logs, teaching other little frogs. Okay, 20 froggies, they went to school. Where the school is? School is down beside a rushing pool. It's there beside a rushing pool. How the uniform is? White vest with green coat. What they said? They said, we must be in time. We must be in time. And then first we study, then we play. First we have to study and then we play. That is how we keep the rule. They want to keep the rule that first they have to study and then play. That is how we keep the rule when we froggies go to school. Next, in the third stanza, 20 froggies grew up fast. 20 froggies grew up fast. Bullfrogs, they became at last. What is bullfrog? Bullfrog means a big one, male frog. Big and male frog. It is bullfrog. Bullfrogs, they became at last. Now they sit on other logs. Now they are sitting on the other logs for teaching other little frogs. Teaching other little frogs. This is your poem. You should learn this poem along with the rhyming words and along with these also. Choose the correct answers. Choose the correct answers also you have to learn. See, this is a very small unit. Am I right? So you have to learn each and every bit along with poem also. I'll revise. Choose the correct answers once again. 20 or 10. How many frogs went to school? How many frogs went to school? 10 or 20? 10 or 20 frogs. How many frogs went to school? 20. Very good. 20 frogs went to school. Tick there. 20 దగ్గర tick చేయండి. Next, the school was beside a rushing pool or river. School ekkadundi? Beside a rushing pool or river. Rushing pool. Tick pool. Next, the froggies wore coats of green or blue. Coats ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? Which color? In which color coats? Green or blue? Green. Very good. The froggies studied or played first? First చదివాయా ఆడుకున్నాయా? The froggies studied or played first? Studied. Very good. Tick the studied. Tick studied. Okay. Next, I'll revise these rhyming words. School, pool. School, pool. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. P-O-L-L, pool. G-R-E-E-N, green. C-L-E-A-N, clean. Green, clean. School, pool. Green, clean. They play. They play. T-H-E-Y, they. P-L-A-Y, play. T-H-E-Y, they. P-L-A-Y, play. Rule, school. Rule, school. R-U-L-E, rule. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. R-U-L-E, rule. S-C-H-O-O-L, school. Fast, last. Fast, last. F-A-S-T, fast. L-A-S-T, last. See, F-A-S-T, fast. L-A-S-T, last. Logs, frogs. Logs, frogs. L-O-G-S, logs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. L-O-G-S, logs. F-R-O-G-S, frogs. See, write these rhyming words for one time and post to your concerned class teacher. So, that's all for today, my dear children. You have to learn all these because tomorrow you have test on this. That's all for today, my dear children. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.